What is React? React is a popular JavaScript library used to build user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. It allows developers to create reusable components, which are pieces of code that define how a part of the UI looks and behaves. React uses a virtual DOM, which makes updates faster and more efficient. Instead of updating the entire page, React only updates the parts that change, improving performance. React was developed by Facebook and is widely used for building web applications that are dynamic and responsive. It also works well with other libraries or frameworks, making it a flexible choice for many developers. Why use React? React is a great choice for building web applications because it makes development faster and more efficient. One of its main benefits is that it allows developers to create reusable components, which means you can write less code and maintain your app more easily. React also uses a virtual DOM, which makes updates to the UI faster and improves performance, especially in complex applications. It has a large community and plenty of resources, which makes finding support easier. Additionally, React is flexible and can be used with other tools, making it a versatile option for building interactive and dynamic user interfaces. React versus other frameworks. React is often compared to other popular frameworks like Angular and Vue.js, each with its strengths. One key difference is React's simplicity. Unlike Angular, which is a full-fledged framework with a lot of built-in features, React is a library focused on building UI components, giving developers more flexibility to choose the tools they need. React also has a gentler learning curve than Angular, which requires learning TypeScript and complex concepts. When compared to Vue.js, React offers more widespread community support and is often preferred for large-scale applications, though Vue is simpler to get started with. In summary, React stands out for its simplicity, flexibility, and ease of learning, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Setting up a React project. To start a React project, you have two great options: Create React App, CRA, and Vite. Create React App is a zero-config tool that helps you quickly set up a React project. With just one command, it sets up everything you need, like Webpack, Babel, and other configurations, so you can start coding right away without worrying about setup. Vite, on the other hand, is a newer, faster alternative. It provides a modern build tool and dev server that is much quicker than CRA, especially for larger projects. Vite leverages newer technologies like ES modules, which makes it faster to build and reload your app during development. Both tools help you get started quickly, but Vite is a more modern and faster choice for better performance in larger applications. React development environment and tools. When developing with React, there are a few key tools that can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. VSCode is a popular code editor for React developers. It offers helpful extensions like Prettier, which automatically formats your code, and ESLint, which helps you maintain clean, error-free code by highlighting issues. React snippets in VSCode provide shortcuts for commonly used React code, speeding up development. Chrome DevTools is another essential tool. With the React Developer Tools extension, you can inspect your React components, view their state and props, and debug your app more easily. This tool allows you to see exactly what's happening inside your app in real time, making it much easier to track down issues and optimize performance. Together, these tools help improve productivity, reduce errors, and make debugging React applications much easier.